We're making waves present. Come along for the ride. Van doors open, hearts open wide. Adventures calling every day. It's making waves. Let's drift away.
Hi guys, my usual go-to power supplies would be Victron, no doubt, but for this it's a budget one, and I managed to pick up the Renogy 3000W inverter. It's a Pure Sine Wave Inverter, so there should be no problem with that. Transfer switching 12 to 230 volts, and the DC to DC 60 amp battery charger. Now, when I first done the van, I had my leisure battery in the front underneath the passenger seat, and it was just connected directly across to the starter battery, but it was taking an awful lot out of the alternator. So I decided to move up here where I've got more space and fit the DC to DC battery charger. It's a lot more friendly on the alternator, so yeah, that's made a big difference. I will eventually put a solar controller and a couple of solar panels on the roof, but that's another project.
It's making waves. Let's drift